Today we are going to start one of the most important numerical of chemistry, which is related with mole fraction. The question is that 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in 80 grams of water. To make a solution, calculate the mole fraction of NaOH and water in a solution. Now we are going to move towards numericals related with mole fractions. On the basis of numerical, we can write given and required for this particular numerical. According to numerical, 20 grams of NaOH, it means that we have given mass of sodium hydroxide, NaOH is 20 grams. Dissolved in 80 grams of water. It means that mass of water, that is solvent, is 80 grams. To make a solution, required, calculate the mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by X. Mole fraction of NaOH and mole fraction of water in a solution. We know that mole fraction, which is represented by X, will be equals to individual mole divided by total moles. It means that first of all, we will have to calculate moles of NaOH, then moles of water, and after addition of moles of NaOH and moles of water, we can easily get total number of moles. Second formula, we know that number of moles will be equals to mass of substance in grams divided by molar mass. Now, molar mass of NaOH, molar mass of NaOH can be calculated by given atomic masses, that is sodium is 23 multiplied by 1 atom plus oxygen, mass of oxygen is 16 multiplied by 1 atom, hydrogen mass is 1 and 1 atom. After multiplying their masses with atoms and addition, we will get 40 grams per mole or AMU, molar mass of NaOH. Now the second, molar mass of water. Molar mass of water can be calculated by same as it is, same pattern, same formula. Mass of hydrogen is 1, number of atom 2, number of atoms oxygen is 1 and mass will be 16. It becomes 18 grams per mole. That is the molar mass of water. Now equation number 2 implies moles of NaOH can be calculated by given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 20. So 20 divided by 40. It means that moles of NaOH becomes 0.5 moles. Same as it is. Equation number 2 implies moles of water can be calculated by given mass, that is 80, divided by molecular mass, that is 18. Moles of water becomes moles of water can be calculated by given mass, that is 80, divided by molar mass, that is 18. Now moles of water become 4.4 moles. Total moles can be calculated by moles of NaOH plus moles of water. Moles of NaOH become 0.5 plus moles of water is 4.4. it become 4.9 moles. Now total moles will be 4.9. Now after calculation of individual mole of NaOH and water, we can easily calculate total number of moles. Now for the calculation of mole fraction, put individual mole, that is moles of water and moles of NaOH and total mole in given equation. In equation number 1, we can easily calculate or find out mole fraction of NaOH and mole fraction of water. Now we are going to move towards solve this numerical. Now the mole fraction of NaOH. For NaOH, mole fraction of NaOH can be calculated by moles of NaOH divided by total moles. Now we have calculated moles of NaOH, that is 0.5. 0.5 moles of NaOH and total moles is 4.9. 4.9. Now moles of NaOH becomes 0.101 and there is no unit because it is the ratio between two similar quantities. Same method is for mole fraction of water. Now mole fraction of water can be calculated by individual mole, that is moles of water, to the total moles. Moles of water become 4.4. 4.4 divided by total mole, that is 4.9. It means that mole fraction of water will be 0.898. We can verify this numerical by addition of mole fraction of all the components present in a solution. Now for verification. Mole fraction of NaOH and mole fraction of water. The summation must be nearly equal to or equal to 1. Now 0.898 plus 0.101. Now the summation become 0.999. It means that it will be congruent or equal to 1. It has been verified that mole fraction of NaOH and mole fraction of water summation will be equal to 1. It means that we have done right numerical with right technique. उम्मीद की जाती है कि you have understand all the components of mole fraction, number of moles and verification. If you have any query regarding understanding mole fraction and its numerical, so you can directly comment or message me. Till then, अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.